YouTube. All right, back with another video for Inazuma 11. Inazuma, I'm gonna just call it 11, dude. But we back with 11. I think so far right now, as of this video is being recorded, we got the opening right now, seeing if it's going to do good on the channel. Like I said, this is like a test run. I want to see if this will perform well on YouTube. It performs well on YouTube, guess what? We're good. We're gonna keep on spamming videos because we got a lot of content for this anyway. We got this, I think it was 11 Go, and then there was it's a lot, and there's a lot of episodes, so hopefully it does go well. I'm rooting for this because I actually mess with it. This is anime. Usually I try to stray away from animes on the channel, even though I know we got Pokemon, and I know that Pokemon is anime, but like it's like soft anime, but like Pokemon, Beyblade, and all that. But 11, where we actually watching it in sub too, so maybe it performs well. Hopefully, all I'm saying is basically what I'm saying is to just like the video. That's all you gotta do. Like, comment, subscribe, and also join the Twitch. You're gonna see live reaction. Tap into the Discord. All links is down below, and I'll see y'all in the video. What happened last episode? We just got done training, right? I know we fought against them zoo people, them animal people, and then I think we literally just got done with training. I think so. Training arc? Yeah, we found an underground. We found an underground spot. Oh, we're about to go against. Oh yeah, they don't know that they was training also. Okay. They don't know. Oh shit. Saka! Don't know what he said, but it's good because I don't know what the title is, and they be spoiling the titles. Why do they have satellites on the court? Oh, and then I forgot we got this spy or whatever over here, and not coach, bro. Like, I ain't gonna cap. Like, you can't be a trader and look like this, bro. You gotta pick one, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like what we got going on with our hairstyle, first off. And then you also like, bro, hey, it is what it is. That's true. This is a team game. We got Dread here, Dreadhead here. Let's get this started. Come on. Shoto-san. Wait, what? Are they gonna allow them to score? Gamma, where the Hawk? If I see one of them bulk up and turn to the Hawk. You know, actually, never mind. They're the Flash. A Dragon aggression. He gonna block this. Wait, what? Wait, what? What just happened? Are they all kicking the ball to stop it? What? I'm guessing they all was putting their foot up to kick it. They all kicked it to weaken it. Oh. He giving props to his team. Wait, so is he confirming that these are cyborgs that we're going against? Is he confirming we're going against cyborgs right now? Cause ain't no way. Cause ain't no way you telling me we're going against cyborgs. I thought this was soccer, fun, human sport. You know what? I can't even say human anymore when we damn near busting out black holes and off of the intros. Yeah, I need him to get a special move where he's just like, this is all. Damn. Are they also like matching them up with? Nah. We stopped those. We stopped those. It don't matter. We stopped those. Stop it. Stop playing with them. What just happened? Oh. Okay. You know what's going to. Yo, this has to be cheating, bro. I just realized I'm pretty sure they got headphones in the game. So they're literally giving call outs and everybody on the court can literally hear it. Like, bro, what? Wait, what? Oh yeah. Fire tornado! He's gonna block that. That still made an impact. That gotta be like that still made an impact. Like you seen it. Look. He caught it. It's still spinning in his hand, and he gets pushed back a little bit. Before it didn't do that. Before it did not do that. Before he just stopped it. Oh yeah, dragon tornado. Oh yeah. Ugh. Block this. Does he block it? Oh yeah. Ah, you see? Okay. I see y'all. Hold on, I'm getting a little hype. Yo, we going back-to-back special moves. Oh yeah. Oh, a new one. Oh, I don't think we ever seen that one. I don't think we ever seen that one. Hold up, I ain't gonna lie to you. Why am I getting, you see, bro? Why am I getting hype, bro? Why am I getting hype? You see, bro? Hold up. Wait. Oh, it's a pad. Oh, that might be a goal. Oh, yeah. Stop playing with him. I don't know how his foot to, oh. Nah. That's a goal. You can't even blame him. I ain't gonna lie. That was a nice ass whatever. Bro went in for a fake shot. Goddamn passes to the dude on the right. The dude on the right ended up getting his shit blocked, but perfectly went to this. Nah. Couldn't do nothing. Sold? Bro, come on, bro. He didn't ask. Bro, he clutched the I don't know how he got back down on the ground to block the first one. But he did. Hey, that was a nice goal. I ain't gonna lie. That was a nice teamwork goal. Oh, damn. Yeah. Wait, what? Why'd he pass it to the goalie? Don't tell. Nah. What? Nah. You can do that? It's the music, bro. Okay. I ain't gonna lie to you. The music is getting me right now. I ain't gonna catch you. Like I'm literally into it because of the music and then hearing Naruto talk and everything, bro. Is that first half? That's how y'all about to play? That's how we playing right now? See, I ain't gonna lie. I'm crashing out. I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm crashing out. I'm about to get a red flag or a yellow card, whatever. Took the point and then started playing back like that? Man, they probably didn't do nothing yet. Oh shit, locker room discussion? They don't care. That ball. Day to day, you see, I can't get Naruto out of my head, bro. I told you, bro. I literally told you. Naruto is my one of my first animes, like probably like third, fourth, or whatever. But like, I can't get Naruto out of my head, bro. Believe it. Two different viewpoints or perspectives. Believe it. Are they still stalling even in a second? Yeah, imagine the crowd. I know the crowd gotta be, imagine you pay, this is a school game, so you don't have to pay. I mean, actually, no, you do got to pay like at least $10. Imagine you paying just to watch a passive soccer game. I'll be mad as like, bro, did I pay my tickets to watch this, bro? Damage them until they can't play. What you mean damage them? Like hit us? Yo. Oh, they talk about damage. Y'all just realize he been back here the whole time. What is this man objective on this field? I know he's a traitor and everything, but like, bro just been here. What is this man objective? Like, what is his position in this? Huh? You can do that? Wait, what? Wait, what? He gonna block this. Wait, what? The goalie can... I did not know that. I thought the goalie, you only have to stay in the goalie thing. I didn't know you could just run out. What? I don't watch soccer. The only soccer I know is Blue Lock. Oh, he got through to him. They're gonna start playing real soccer. I'm just look past that. Oh yeah, we teeing up. Come on, weave that. Damn. Wait, what? Oh, the missile! Block. Did that soccer ball just turn into a goddamn missile? Bro, what? Okay, bro. The ball just turned into a goddamn missile. That was hard, though. Yo, he's doing it again. Wait, yo, who's gonna stop it? What do you want him to do? Oh, what in the power of friendship shot? Oh my God, I'm not going to go. Okay. Now, why? What the? Why they get behind, bro? Why they get behind, bro? What the is going on? What in the power of friendship goal was that? What we call that? Call that. So okay, I know I was like, bro, like, how are we going to make this thing hard if we got a goalie as the main character and everything? I see what we're doing, bro. The goalie's going to end up coming up time to time as a striker or whatever, but his saves would be hard as shit too. Okay. Are they casually dodging lasers? Okay. Okay. Tornado! Yeah! Yo, that animation for that is just so hard. Damn! That's another one! Useless? Oh, they getting wiped. Oh, he deadass just left. I deadass thought like he was gonna be like, maybe we should actually play soccer. No, he just left. They giving up? Nah, did they make them give up? Come on, the goalie got to still. He got to still play. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. Yo, this is hard, bro. Come on. Yes, sir. Hey. We stopped those. Tornado! Oh, oh! Oh! He did the same move back. Oh, hold up! Hold up! We stopped those. God hand. Come on. Yo, the voice acting is crazy, man. Hold up. Hold up, bro. Endou! Nah, hold up. Hey, Endou said what he said, bro. Soccer where it goes. That's what I'm saying. Hey, this is hands down the best game we watched so far. Like, no questions asked. No questions asked. This is the best one we've seen so far. Oh, is he gonna realize he's a traitor? All right, hold up. All right, oh, wait, is he gonna be our coach? Wait, what was I saying? Oh! Our win rate just went down. Our win rates just went down. Stuck with mid. I'm not even gonna say mid anymore. After that, I got faith in our team. But our win rate did significantly went down. I'm not gonna capture you. Yo, hold up though. We moving. Yo, Chad, I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually hyped this. That was actually a good match. And now what? Now the team we go against better not be cold. If the team is anywhat near the team we just played, bro, we're screwed. Literally, GG's in the chat. I ain't gonna lie. This dude didn't do anything neither, bro. I just realized this dude literally didn't do. I know he's a trade and everything, but like you didn't do anything. We should be. I actually have faith in our team now. I ain't gonna lie to you. I just know this dude's gonna do something. He's gonna sell us. I don't know how, but stand up, stand up. And... オカルト中対収容メイト学園戦の試合に勝ったチームと準決勝でになるわ。オカルト中ってあいつらか。Wait, they still in this? I thought they lost. What? There's a loser bracket? So there's a loser bracket? どんなチームなの？あ、学力優秀だけど少々マニアック集まった学校。フットボールフロンティア出場校中最弱の予備外チーム。な、何これ？ I'm trying to listen, but this beat. Maid cafe. Why you get excited? Nah, they're about to lose. That's normally how it goes in the show, in the anime. The team you previously beat gets stronger. You expect to see them next, and they just get obliterated. So I feel like they're about to get demolished. It was a practice match. Oh, it was a practice match when they went against them. Oh yeah. Wait, it happened already? You see? Bro, I just want to go to the maid cafe, bro. Why? I know that's an actual thing in Japan. I don't get why, but hey. I'll probably go to a maid cafe though. Would you go? Yeah, I'll probably. Do they serve food? If they serve food, then I'll probably go. People gonna be thinking I'm weird for going, but hey, if the food is good, say less. But a cafe, ain't it like just coffee? Bro's eating watermelon in the back. Don't tell me this dude is black. I already see the lips. I mean, he don't look like he got color on him, but like, he do got a fro. He better not be a light skin. What is what? I can't read that. Nah, don't tell me, brother. The pink heart. Don't tell me y'all know how to be around females, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Heart throbbing by what are these names? This gotta be the. I instantly am not going. What the? And then y'all hop in the hell. What is going on? This gotta be the team they going against. Yeah, this gotta be the team. Hey. You understand me? If it's not a PlayStation 2, I don't mess with it. I mean, if it's not a PlayStation, I don't care. He gonna recruit them. He gonna try to recruit them. Magical Princess Silky Nana. Oh shit. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you. It's mad easy to become a friend, become friends with somebody who else. Like back then, I don't know about nowadays, but back then, do you know how easy it was to become friends with somebody? If both of you knew about anime and you just talk about it and they're like, oh, you watch anime? Like, yeah, you just, y'all, it's like, you instantly just connect as soon as you know about shit like that. Like the other day, me and my barber, I did not know my barber watched anime or cartoons. And we was like, my barber's like, he's like on the older side. And we was just, and he was talking about some like anime stuff. I was like, you watch anime? He was like, you watch anime? I was like, hell yeah. He was like, hell yeah. And then we was just talking for like half an hour, like an hour and a half, bro. Like, it's just that easy, bro. I wonder what the dub did in the scene. Oh yeah, they do be cutting out stuff. You think they cut out? This is a soccer team. Football something. I can't remember. Well, use your brains. They don't wait. Watch it be something like they're only playing soccer to keep that space down there alive or some shit. I don't know. Nah, you see? Don't. Come on. Y'all about to get hold. Oh, it started right now? I thought we wasn't getting into next episode. The hell? Don't tell me they play better when they see like, do not tell me they get like a Kyle Caden boost or Super Saiyan boots soon as they see girls in maid costume, bro.
試合ではマネージャーはすべて着用という決まりになっております。誰がそんな決まりを作ったのよ。店長、いえ監督。
Our boss, I mean a coach.
あれ、監督だったんだ。どうして私がこんな格好を。お願いなんだな。が準決勝の相手。ゴーエンジの代わりは。
It's the
俺ね。ここは切り札の出番でしょ。切り札。
You better not say yourself.
喫茶に行ったおかげで彼らに来ました。僕が必ず。
You know what? It might actually hold up.
あげましょう。
Low key, I'm gonna let him cook.
いいんじゃないか、メガネで。そうね、やる気満々みたい。なんとかなるんじゃねえの。
そうだな。よし。今日は。
He might get some buff.
ちょっと待って。彼がゴーエン。
It is risky. Maybe high risk, high reward.
逃げ出すか。今日のこいつのやる気は俺にはわかる。本気でやる気になっているやつがここ一番で必ず頼りになるんだ。
Factual, he's not lying.
やる気にかけるぜ。お受けください。
フロンティア準決勝、いよいよ試合開始です。
稲妻。
Watch him sell us. Watch him sell us though.
いまだスコアは0対0のまま。水曜ナイト学園ボールをキープするものの一向に攻めようとはしません。
シンハイパーラボール発射。
The hell?
アクロ軍団め、お前たちにこの地球は渡さん。
I knew they was gonna be playing like something like this, bruh.
ここで前半終了のホイッスル。
What?
例のまま後半を迎えます。
まるで攻め
What?
もう予想外でしたよ。
お前あいつらのサッカーが理解できたんじゃなか
Wait. The first half is already done?
ったのかよ。
してもなんでないんだ。
あいつらの妙なノリに調子を狂わ。
得体が知れない。
お前もな。
What the hell are we? Yo.
わからないチームだわ。とにかくボールを奪ってチャンスを作るんだ。
さあ後半のキックオフです。
Oh, this is where they start playing? Bro is Naruto running, bruh. Bro is dead ass Naruto. Watch him bust out a shadow clone jutsu move, bruh.
我々の体力ではフルタイムごと。
後半勝負。僕たち収容
So they play for real the second half.
班は力を。みんなディフェンス。
誰にも止めることはできん。
Show me, son.
何が変身だよ。
Wait, what? Bro did a substitution jutsu with. Okay. Is that allowed? How is that legal? Don't. Okay. I guess. I guess.
背を許すとはな。
だから言ったのです。油断は。
あいつら全員
Conserving their stamina. Oh yeah. What in the Ginyu force is going on? He's not even gonna hit the goal, is he? Yeah. Are they missing or is it? Yeah. Nah, it looks like.
連発。しかしゴールに嫌われたか。ことごとく枠の外。さあ後半も残り時間がました。
Watch him stupid like he's moving the goal.
帝国通り水曜メイト学園の勝利。
Yo, what is this match?
何をしているの。時間がないわよ。
何度打っても無駄ですよ。
なぜあの土煙に包まれると人がゴールを恐れてしまう。
What if we just keep on dribbling it? I mean, like, let him cook. I knew, bro. Word for word, bar for. Yo, stop playing with me, bro. I swear to God, never watched the show. Never knew the show existed. I just knew something like this. Okay, now this is not illegal. Like, I mean, this is illegal. Like, how is this? Like, what? Huh? Ref? Question mark? I swear, are they blind? Like, come on, bro. It gets to a point, dude. It gets to a point.
仮面ソイヤ第28話開幕作戦。あれを思い出したのですよ。ゴリ夢中とはあれをヒントに飛びました。
This might be the only episode, bro, is useful. Bro said, nah, bro, it's a special move. What you talking about? Okay.
だからといってこんな卑怯なことを。
勝てばいいのだよ。勝てば。
Are they bribing him?
僕にボールをください。
メガネ。
メガネにボールを渡せ。
Don't tell me.
分かった。メガネ。ここは父さん。
Damn.
止めるんだ。
先生、ノベルライト先生、悲しい。シルキーナナの勇気と愛に僕は幾度もらいます。卑怯なことをする人たち。シルキーナナ
Nah, he's talking, bro. What are the Transformers going on?
では失格です。
He's talking to them. Wow, bro.
ドリブル主要面でいくぞ。
やるメガネ君。
よくわかんねえけど
打たせちゃダメなんだな。
みんなゴール夢中だ。
続けるつもりだ。君たちなどオタクではあり、オタクとは一つの世界をまっすぐに極めたもの。ゲームのルールを破ってまで勝とうとオタクを名乗る資格などありません。
So he's just gonna convince them what they're doing is wrong.
僕に考えが。
ドラゴンクラッシュ。
Move and goal. Okay. Oh, damn, damn. Oh my God.
変えゴールに押し込んだ。ライモン中同点。土壇場で同点に追いついた。
Is he alive? Oh, he's alive. Hey, valid sacrifice, bruh. Yeah, I knew he was out. That was GG's.
トモン君。
A headbutt into a
どうしてそんな
a headbutt into a dragon? Like that's actually crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you.
目を覚まして欲しかったのですよ。同じオタクとして。サッカーも。
Hey, you know what? W to this dude, bruh. W to him, bruh.
僕たちもう一緒よ。
我々も全力を尽くしたサッカーでライモン中に挑もうではないか。
俺たちだって負けられねえ。ただ体を張ってどうみんな絶対に逆転するぜ。
Yeah. This should be a sweep now. Yep. Dragon. Damn. I know that shit gotta hurt, bruh. And that's game.
ヒヤヒヤさせるわね。
負けた。これで僕たちの夢が
夢とはな。
フットボールフロンティアで優勝すればアメリカ遠征という得点がついてくるんだ。
Going on a road trip in America?
向こうにしか売っていない限定フィギュアをゲットする。
コズミックプリティレイナのアメジョンですね。当然です。
君はなんてやつだ。
負けたよ。
Bruh.
君たちの夢は僕が受け継ぎました。この大会で優勝した暁にはコズミックプリティレイナ。
What? W guy. This is off topic, but I need you. God damn, what is your shoe size, bruh? Bruh got clown shoes on right now. My God. Damn, so does everybody. Everybody got clown shoes on. Shit. God damn.
メガネって
Hey, honestly, still kind of for that episode. Random, bruh. Like I keep saying, I actually mess with this. I actually mess with 11. Especially that last episode we watched. I ain't gonna lie to you, like that just showed us a glimpse, and like I don't know, it's just sports anime and to me in general just gets me hyped up and everything. And I could just, and I like I say, I know the animation gets better and better, blah blah blah, but I'm really messing with the animation right now, so I could just tell I'm really mess with this. But hey, you watching this on YouTube, please hit that like button if you want me to keep on going with this series, man. Like I said, one like can literally help this go out to other people. You feel me? Reek will see it. Reek will say, oh snap, people enjoying this, so let me push out this video because more videos of this because people enjoy it. You feel me? Simple as that. Like, comment, subscribe for it. We'll be on the Patreon. We should be way ahead over there, so tap in. Also join the Twitch. Want to see a live reaction? Tap into the Discord. All links is down below. I see y'all. Peace.